So just now we are going to design chain for our bicycle. So select first of all MMGS and then front plane and sketch on it. Make one center line, make it properly, and make one circle. The circle diameter is 9.5. Here we need to do mirror of that circle, so just mirror it, and then the distance between the two circles is 12.39. Then do extrude part. Extrude is 2 mm. Then we are going to make two circles over there of diameter 4.5 mm. So those things are all in mm. So just be careful. Make the circles 12.96. So the other circles are 10 mm. And make two curves over there. Okay, you got it. That we are going to make circles over there and extrude it at least 2 mm. So careful about while doing extrude part. Then do mirror. We need to mirror both the parts. Okay, mirror it. Then we are going to select it and convert the entities. Convert entities. Convert entities is a useful tool to get it that to extract the sketch of it. Now make two circles for holes, and hence we get a one part of chain. Chain is for only the show purpose. Is how it is going to show in our bicycle. Then make one line of 120 mm. Then make one half circle over there. And just consider one thing, that in here you can do that thing in MMGS also and in IPS also. Afterwards you can increase their size by using scale per thing. Then the two half circles, radius 29 and 75, and distance between them is 333, and the arc distance radius is 1155. Then do linear pattern. Here we are going to make 40 patterns with 25 mm distance between them. Equal spacing, yeah, 5 equal spacing. Hence we got the sketch of it, part design, and we are done with our sketch, our chain. Then color it as per your requirement.